everyone, welcome back to Kamiru, a channel where we'll explore art. So, without wasting any moment, let's get started. So, today we are gonna create super easy, super cute clay dolls. Yay! For that, I will be using FEVICRYL molded clay again. At very first, mixing the two compounds very nicely with one another, or फिर I'll start molding my dolls. Well, they are going to be similar to the wooden hand painted dolls जो मार्केट में मिलते हैं. I wanted them so सोच लिया क्यों ना मैं ही खुद उन्हें बना लूँ अपने पसंद के अपने स्टाइल से cute dolls. So keeping that in mind, I am going to make a Maharashtrian warkari couple. So for that मैं कुछ इस तरह से दोनों के बॉडीज को शेप करूँगी like a cylinder. उसके बाद I'll attach their heads using a toothpick to their body. Then I'll pay attention to more details of my dolls. A bun and a small flower garland on the head of the lady doll, and for our young man, a Maharashtrian topi for him along with a stole. I'll also give him a stick as a flagstaff. Also, I created a small tulsi plant जिसके पत्ते बाद में लगेंगे, but I created the base and will stick on her head just like this. I let them dry for a day. Ta-da! Dried and hard as a rock. फटाफट से जसो अप्लाई करूँगी and then we will start with the painting. Again, I will be using acrylic paints here. But before that, pay attention to these rough lines which I have made to mark their clothes. Tried to make a dhoti kurta for the man and a sari for the woman. Well, skin color to their body parts and then a very light shade of yellow to the young man's kurta. To make his clothes look more prominent, I'll paint orange to the borders and a grey shade to his dhoti. So yeah, dhoti kurta for the man and sari for the woman. So these are the traditional outfits of Maharashtra. Well, I am trying to make the dolls similar to the warkaris who are the ones you saw at the starting of the video. So in Maharashtra, there is a tradition of Yatra or Pandharpur Wari. So basically every year, some group of devotees come together and marches on foot from various locations in Maharashtra. There are two palkis. One is of Sant Jnaneshwar's palki, which leaves from Alandi, and other of Tukaram Maharaj, which begins from Dehu. They march around in Maharashtra and then arrive Pandharpur, which is said to be a sacred place wherein Lord Vitthal, Lord Vishnu's avatar, seems to have and even now lives there. This tradition was started in 1685 and is continued till date as a symbol of devotion to our God. And hence, the warkaris are the ones who march, who walk in this wari. So yeah, I'm trying to create these dolls based on that theme. Hope you all love it and enjoy it. Comment down how do you feel it. So coming back. Painting brown for the base of the tulsi plant and painting her sari in purple and blouse with yellow acrylic paint, black to their hairs, and then done! So making these dolls was my mom's idea. She was the one guiding me and choosing the elements like flag or tulsi to go along with these cuties. So I'm really very excited for this tutorial, easy and fun to make. Also, a big thank you for those who have recently subscribed to my channel. Now, let's start with the detailing and painting their faces. Finally! So starting with bordering their clothes, and I will also create some lines in the places to show their dhoti and sari drapes with black acrylic paint. After that is done, I will now start painting their faces. So very easy expressions, a smiling face with big beautiful sparkling eyes. Just like these. And tada! Weren't these super adorable dolls easy to make? So I attached the flag and the leaves of tulsi, which I made by dipping sponge in glue and green acrylic paint. Hope you all loved the video. Do like it, share it with at least one friend and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you so much.